Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we are going to do a quick polish of the Chevelle, which there's nothing really wrong with the paint or anything. I just want to go over it once more and get rid of some of the micro scratches that are in it and make it look nice and pretty for the year. I need to wash it first, but I'm not going to do a full-on soapy wash. I'm just going to use some plain water and a microfiber rag, and that will clean off all the dust, and then we can go ahead and polish it. For polishing products, we have Meguiar's Mirror Glaze 105 and the Meguiar's Ultra Compound. We will not be using the 105 as it is a strong cut polish. You can see it's a 12 out of 12. I don't need that. We're going to be using the Ultra Compound just to get rid of the fine scratches that are currently on it. And we're going to be using a soft yellow pad on my Simona's dual action buffer. It sure looks pretty shiny. So now to protect it, I'm going to spray on some of the Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions ceramic spray coating. I like this stuff. It seems to go on nicely, protects it really well. The water will just bead off of it. I'm going to use a new microfiber to do it, so it's nice and clean, and then it will be done. It's been about a week since I polished the Chevelle, and I figure let's do the truck next. You can see the paint on it has seen better days. It's not bad, but it's never been polished. It's never been waxed. You have some deeper scratches down here and in here. And overall, you can just see it. It could use a little bit of a improvement. So we're gonna do that, and the first thing we got to do is wash it. Now that it's nice and clean, we can take a closer look at some of the swirls and stuff on the paint. Now they said it was supposed to be overcast today. I'm not so sure that's happening, because you don't really want to be doing all this in the sun. So I think I'm going to do this in a few different stages. I'm going to polish all of this side while it's in the shade, and then when the sun moves over to this side, I'll transfer over to the other. For polishing, we're going to use our Simone's dual action polisher. I have two choices of pads. This wool one, which I never liked the first time I used it, first and only time, because it left a lot of little swirls, or this firm pad right here, which I think that's what we're going to use. And for polish, we're going to be using Meguiar's Mirror Glaze 105. It's a ultra cut compound, so it's going to give quite an aggressive cut to it. So that's the first step. So the sun's doing us a favor. Changed my shirt because it always gets really gross. This stuff will splatter all over you, so don't wear your good clothes. I'm going to prime the pad. 3 dots. Already stuck on there. I think I'm gonna need a little water today. Just a little bit. That's starting to look good already, but I'm going to spend the next hour or two finishing it off with the 105, and then we'll get back to you for the second stage. A quick comparison between this side, which is just clean, versus this side, which has had the 105 compound polishing done. I can see a difference. I didn't get finished while using the 105 compound and the firm pad, and it blew apart while cleaning it. Look at that. I can't remember who makes this one, but gotta say, whatever that is, I don't know. Is this normal, or is this a weird anomaly? Since our firm white pad blew up, we're going to switch over to the yellow finishing pad, and we're going to use Meguiar's Ultimate compound to finish it all off. Now, when it comes to the door handles, to get in here, you can't use the machine, so you have to do it by hand. I just scoop a bunch of compound on there, and here we go. Much better. And that's just one pass with the 105. I'm still going to do it with the finishing polish, and it'll look great. Now, I don't know if I'm going to be able to polish this out because it's like a plastic chrome, but I'm going to give it a shot, only using the Ultimate compound and the soft foam pad. Of course, we'll spray on our turtle wax ceramic coating. Now, I'm not going for the ultimate shine on this truck. I just want some protection because the truck is outside all the time. Rain, snow, ice, doesn't matter. So having some protection to keep this paint lasting, you know, a little bit longer, that's the goal. So the car and truck are washed, polished, and protected. They look great. You gotta love black paint when it's all shiny. I love it. Really impressed that the polish did good on this plastic chrome crap. It looks great. So, yeah, very happy. I'll post some links in the description for the products that I use in case you want to buy it. But it did take a long time. The truck definitely took a lot longer than the car. This took a better part of 6 hours. So if you're ever wondering why, you know, having your car polished up costs so much money, it takes a long time. So anyways, if you guys like this video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching.